Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about Laplace transformation. So now I want to show you how to answer. Now we can apply the formula in here. And that is about small s square multiplied by capital F of h minus s, and we have f of number 0 minus first derivative f of number 0 in here. The next one, we have Laplace first derivative of y. So this one we have h multiplied by capital F of h minus small f of number 0. And the last one, that is about f with y in here. And that is about capital F of h. Now we put everything go in here. And that should be like this. So we put this one go in here and here. Negative number 1 go in here. So we have like this. Now we can simplify it. Negative number 2 multiplied by this one. So we have 1 minus negative number 6. We have negative number 5. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.